If Chrome keeps switching your searches to Yahoo, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Yahoo Search in Chrome step by step, so you can get back to normal browsing, remove unwanted redirects, and clean up anything suspicious that may be causing the problem. This is a really common issue, and the good news is that in most cases, it only takes a few minutes to fix. Before we get started, make sure to hit the like button if this tutorial helps you out, and subscribe for more simple tech fixes, browser tips, and step-by-step troubleshooting videos just like this one. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main Chrome menu, where you can access settings and other important options. From the menu, click Settings. This will take you into Chrome's settings page, where you can control things like startup behavior, privacy, extensions, and search engine preferences. Now, on the left side, click Search Engine. This is the section where Chrome decides which search provider it uses when you type into the address bar. At this point, check the default search engine setting. If Yahoo is selected, that is likely why your searches keep going through Yahoo instead of Google or your preferred search provider. Click the Change button if you see it, and then select Google from the list. After that, click Set as Default. This step is important because it tells Chrome to use Google for searches from the address bar, instead of sending your query somewhere else. Next, stay inside the search engine settings and look for Manage Search Engines and Site Search. Click that option. Here, Chrome will show you a list of search engines that have been added to your browser. Scroll through the list until you find Yahoo. If you see Yahoo listed here and you do not want it, click the three dots beside it and choose Delete. Removing Yahoo from this list helps prevent Chrome from using it again later. Now, if Yahoo Search is still coming back, the next thing you need to check is your browser extensions. A lot of unwanted search redirects are caused by suspicious or unwanted add-ons that were installed without you realizing it. To check this, click the three-dot menu again in the top right corner. Then go to Extensions and click Manage Extensions. Here, review every extension carefully. Look for anything unfamiliar, especially extensions with names like Unknown Tools, Search Tools, Coupon Extensions, Toolbar Extensions, or anything you do not remember installing. If an extension looks suspicious, or if it is related to search hijacking or browser redirects, remove it immediately. To remove one, simply click Remove or delete the extension from Chrome. If you're not sure whether an extension is safe and you don't actively use it, it's usually better to remove it and test Chrome again. Once you've changed the default search engine, deleted Yahoo from the search engine list, and removed suspicious extensions, close Chrome completely and reopen it. Then try searching from the address bar again. If everything worked correctly, Chrome should now use Google or your chosen search engine instead of Yahoo. Your browser should feel cleaner, faster, and much more normal to use. If the issue is still happening after all of that, it may mean there is a deeper browser hijacker or unwanted software on your computer, but in many cases, these steps are enough to fix the problem right away. If this video helped you fix Yahoo Search in Chrome, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.